Hey, yo, make some noise for my friend, my brother. Sound Sultan! Sultan, what's up? Look at this.
Searching for the hunter. If I see the hunter, I'm gonna go for the hunter. Let me see the hunter. And I said, I am something like a bushmeat, and I am searching for the hunter. If I see the hunter, I'm gonna go for the hunter. Some people hustle for the money, some people never want to make jolly. You never feel this thing, go my sorrow. If you never feel it before, I tell you it's a lie. It is anywhere that you look. What you see is what I saw. That's why I table on the front of the floor. If I tell you say I'm a keep it, even thief for the follow for the shout on it. Who be the thief, who be the hunter? Who be the hunter? Who are gonna say you be fast for the hunter? Who are gonna say what if you might be the master? If you today, tomorrow you go be done. I said, if you today. I said, if you today. I said, if you put your hands together for this guy, man. Yo, you hear catalog of sounds. I want Chris. People want dash money. Every song can hit back to back.
One dash man. Say one dash man.
Look at you something. I want dash money. Are you ready?
Yeah.
small thing. I don't want to say that they remember this thing. Oh, because in the party. Yo! If you got a friend of me out there, this one is to all the frenemies. You understand? I pray for wisdom. I pray for strength. I pray for all the good things, man.
Now everything's suspicious in the air. I start to follow them slowly. I start to wonder why they wash up themselves out of glory. I start to wonder how they know me. But if you check my mind, they will look each other my story. Oh Lord, set me on fire. I don't think I'm not trying to wanna see. I don't think let me feel like I'm fantasy. Come on, also, I'm running now.
What's the unit? What's it make you feel silly? Make some noise for YJ in the unit. Because I wake up young. I saw it. My table on the matter. Will you forgive me? Forgive me. Forgive me. No bad love to be friend with the blessings. Not my fault. I want to live my life and make it carry on. Because I know you start to explain your problem. Me and them are gonna love them and take no problem. And everything that you know about them is not the child. Let's support the white kid! Oh, say me don't run to me. Join our destiny. Don't you let me deal with the policy. This people they want to set my company YJ. Oh, but what's what they do now? I'm not going to continue this party now. Oh God! I got my friend. Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies
40.
Yeah, eating, man.
You go celebrate 60. You go celebrate 80. You go celebrate 120. Make a continue. You go celebrate. Yes, I just have to do this quick and Baba, this happens to be one of my favorite songs of yours and I could just do it for my people. So anybody will know I'm gonna sing along. Just the other day I saw on CNN brutal killing of each other by two friends. I could not comprehend. So I said to myself, remember the word. No jump out. I could not relate you, but there is something I can relate with, and that is the fact that already this. Where, sir? Thank you very much. My name is Pataraki. God bless you.
Yeah! Make some noise for Pataraki. Yo! Music travel on this side. Oh, listen. One of my favorite songs is Young Don Shoes. In the early 90s, Mama was there. People, let me see your two signs up. Let me see your two fingers up and two mama. Put your two fingers up and two mama right now. Two mama, the fucking legend, fucking king, baby. Who is he? 1, 2, go! Now, ladies, I want you to sing it now. What's the next? Hold on. Let's sing. No time, I'm again. I really love you too. No, tonight is not about Starboy. I want you guys to know that this man right here inspired me to make music. So, that is a legend, that is a king. You guys should always show respect and love for the only king, Two-Face Dibia, Tuba. God bless you guys. Thank you for coming out tonight, baby.
Yes.